Hello student, now in this lecture we will study about environmental chemistry. What is environmental chemistry? Next topic, that is water pollution. In previous lecture we have discussed about the air pollution. Now we will study about water pollution. Water pollution, as name indicating on here, the pollution which arises by the water resources is called water pollution. Causes, what are its causes? Causes here. First one is industrial waste. We see the industries releases so many toxic gases, toxic liquids and toxic chemicals, so many things. We just see the industrial waste causes water pollution. Fertilizers, in fertilizers so many toxic chemicals are used which completely rupture the fertility of soil and so many edible things which is grown by the agriculture resources. Next one is sewage. Sewage is the biggest problem in the world which produces by the water pollution and can jam the internal part of our area, block the pipelines, or maybe block the outer surface of our area, can cause drainage problem. So many things is created by sewage problem. Effects, what are the effects of the causes of water pollution? Eutrophication is just decreasing the oxygen layer. Depletion of oxygen layer is caused by eutrophication. Death of aquatic animals means the animal which lives in the water bodies such as ponds, rivers, which can be dead by these pollutants of industrial waste or acid rains are major source affect the aquatic life. And now we'll study about what is eutrophication. We just use the word on here, eutrophication means fertilizers washed into the rivers. First fertilizers washed into the river. The next is algae grow rapidly. Algae, the green sports type structures we just see, algae is produced rapidly, and algae blocks sunlight. Algae does not allow the sunlight to perfectly neutralize the plants. So plants completely die, and bacteria decomposes plants. Bacteria work to decompose the plants completely, and oxygen decreases. I have told you this is oxygen depletion phenomena, so oxygen decreases obviously. And the next is fish die, and I just discussed about death of aquatic life. So fish is an aquatic animal, so it just die and cause so many problem. And what are the carbon cycle? As we know that the fish are the major resources of our food, and so many chemical medicine, so it will be die by this by the process of eutrophication. Carbon cycle, what is carbon cycle? We'll study basic idea only on here. Carbon dioxide removed by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, as we know very well, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the phenomena of making food by the plants in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of sunlight and CO2. So CO2 removed by photosynthesis, and CO2 released by respiration, combustion and decomposition. These are the process. Respiration, when we inhale we take oxygen, when we exhale it released our carbon dioxide. And combustion, as we so many things, the carbon, for example, in the combustion phenomena, C plus O2 will get CO2. So, and releasing the heat, amount of heat energy will release on here. So CO2 is the combustion when carbon, so many amount of heat releases on here, and C plus O2 is when heated carbon with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. And decomposition, what is decomposition? When we decomposed any substance like limestone, so CaO plus CO2 is produced in the form of carbon dioxide. So these are phenomena in which CO2 gas releases as we have discussed in carbon cycle. Thank you.